I'm going to show you how to edit your class roster in my HRW. So open my HRW in Clever, go to Manage Classes. This is where if you would like to create a new class, you can do this right here on the main page. So you can give your class a name, give it a section, give it a grade, select the grade level you need, describe it, and then tell it which resources you would like to have added. So for this one, if you were going to add a new math class, you might want to select both of these resources for that class. So that's how you would add or create a new class. In order to manage a class that's already created for you, the class that you received at the beginning of the year from the district, to add or delete students, you want to go over to the right-hand side where it says Classes and Students and go to Manage Class Roster. And once you click on Manage Class Roster, you have a down arrow here. Your class, this is where the class that was already created for you is listed. So you're going to click that class. And when you do that, your entire class roster shows up. So to add a student to the class, you're going to use this top section where you will enter the student's first and last name. And I apologize right now for the blurry boxes, but I want to make sure that I'm protecting student privacy. And then click Search. And when you click the search button, you should see the student listed. Click the Select button next to the student's name, and then simply click the Add button to add that student to your roster. Once you do that, scroll down to make sure that the student did indeed show up in your roster. This one did. However, this is not a student that I actually want to add to this class. So to remove any student from your class, you want to click the Unenroll link that's on the far right-hand side. So we're going to click Unenroll. You will get a pop-up window that will remind you that you're not removing the student from the entire program, just from your class. And so, although the student won't be removed from the system, some of the work that they've done for your class may be lost. So you want to go ahead and click Yes. And then you should be able to check your roster, and your student should no longer be listed on the roster. So that is how you adjust a class in my HRW.